Dear James, our old microwave is broken. I went downtown and some creepy old lady in a voodoo shop gave me one for free. I was like, fuck yeah. Totally imagined her giving me a BJ. Anyways, I'll let you go. Sorry so sloppy, Michael.
Fucking cool. Great microwave, Dykel. Son of a fuck! Shit! Ah! Fuck! Fuck. Come on, man, pull together. Come on, Jimbo.
Party's over.
So let me get this straight. A microwave killed your roommate.
Look, I don't know. I walked into the apartment and then...
Can you believe this shit, Mendoza? Killer fucking microwave. I must have the world's biggest dipshit printed on my forehead.
I'm telling you the truth. Give me a lie detector test.
Cut the shit, asshole. Now you start talking or me and Mendoza here are gonna make you and your buddy roommates again. In the morgue. The way I see it, it was a crime of passion. You walk in on your girlfriend and your roommate bumping sillies, and you go into a jealous fit of rage. Isn't that right, murderer?
Bumping sillies? I don't even have a girlfriend. And James was gay.
Oh, so it's a hate crime, is it? Look at this, Mendoza. We got a fucking skinhead on our hands.
What? He's my best friend. We've been best friends since 2nd grade.
Yeah, and Mendoza here wears underwear.
I don't wear no goddamn underwear.
Got all fucking night, kid.
It's been 8 hours. I told you everything I know.
Look at him. Look at him. You sucked out his life, and he'll never get it back because of you. How's that make you feel? Look at this one. Huh? You remember when that was taken? Probably don't even give a shit, do you? Huh? Look hard and close. It's the last time you'll ever see him. Well, maybe in your nightmares.
I'm not a killer.
Let me tell you what, kid. I'm the last chance you got. You don't work with me, and you're gonna be microwaved goodbye from the inside of a gas chamber. Okay, maybe it was an accident. You guys get in an argument? Maybe you beat him up a little bit and you hit him over the head with a microwave 7 times. I don't know. Accidentally?
Look, I didn't do it.
Oh, bullshit! Fuck! Son of a bitch! Chicken dicks! Fuck! 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 Ah, son of a bitch! Fuck! Pussy! You cocksucker! Motherfuck! Cock! Ugh! Motherfucker! Shit! Son of a bitch! Listen, murderer. If you're gonna serve me a shit sandwich, at least have the common goddamn courtesy to put some mustard on it. I may have been born in the morning, but I pulled an all-nighter. Mendoza! Get the microwave.
What? No!
Mendoza!
You don't know what you're doing.
Mendoza, goddammit! Holy shit! Mendoza!
I fucking told you, man. I'm getting the fuck out of here.
What's the matter, kid? Scared of little leftovers? I hate leftovers!